Introducing a complete one-platform solution. Security, automation, and video in one stylish, intuitive, and professional platform. Protect, monitor, and control your entire world with the Enforcer V11 and Android tablet with Home Control Hub app, the new touchscreen control station for your security. Simply open Home Control Hub on your Android tablet to check and control your entire home for complete peace of mind. With outdoor detectors covering the perimeter, if anyone approaches, you can be alerted through your Home Control 2.0 app, so you can grab your Android tablet and open Home Control Hub to see what's happening and take action. Using two-way talk to speak via the light camera,
You've been spotted and we're recording.
As well as activating your security's loud siren to raise the alarm and ward off intruders. It's not just your home that's protected. The system's advanced wireless range allows devices across your entire perimeter to cover gardens, outbuildings, drives, and more, to detect intruders before they can even attempt to break in. Worried about loved ones? The system's care feature allows occupancy timers to be set up on devices. If there's no activity within a set time, you can determine the level of response so you know help's on its way. Providing the confidence to maintain independent living and making sure everyone's looked after. Use the Android tablet as your day-to-day tablet to follow a recipe, read, watch videos or play games, as well as controlling your security. View and interact through your cameras to direct your early morning deliveries or check on the dog. As well as arm and disarm the system, check history, and more. With the smart plug added to your system, you also have automation at your fingertips. Turn your lights on and off, or use wired outputs to open the garage door or even shut a gate, all from the Android tablet and Home Control Hub app.
Go to bed, Joe.
Enforcer V11 with Android tablet and Home Control Hub app really is the smart security system that fits your lifestyle. It's not just security, it's your home.